Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. Listen, how can you go wrong with Cajun flavor and some barbecue sauce? You can't. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these Cajun barbecue wings. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of the ingredients. So right here we have our chicken wings, we have some flour, our egg wash, minced chili garlic. In this bowl we have our Cajun seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, soy sauce, smoked paprika, fresh squeezed lemon juice, salt and pepper, cayenne pepper, honey, barbecue sauce, and right here we have some more Cajun seasoning. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is season our chicken, and we're gonna take our Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper. And we're just gonna get at a good mix. Just like that. Now we're gonna season our flour with our season blend. And of course, guys, I had some salt, some Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. And we're gonna get this mixed in like this. All right, so what I'm gonna do with our egg wash, I'm gonna add a dash of hot sauce in here. I didn't put that in the ingredients list, but hey, I think I wanna add some hot sauce in there. Then we're gonna get that mixed up just like this. All right, now we're gonna set this aside. We're gonna head over to our cooktop and start preparing our Cajun barbecue sauce. All right, let's heat up our cooktop. Let's get this to a medium heat. We're gonna add our barbecue sauce, our honey, soy sauce, our minced garlic, and our lemon juice. And I'm gonna dash it with a little Cajun seasoning. And we're gonna mix this up and we're gonna simmer it for a few minutes to allow it to thicken. And guys, once it gets to that consistency you're looking for, which I'm there, we're gonna turn our heat off and we're gonna transfer this into a dish. All right, before we head over to our stove, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start battering up our chicken. Now guys, you don't wanna fry them, you don't have to fry them. You can put these in the air fryer or in your oven, but we want these babies extra crispy, at least I do. So we're gonna fry these babies today. We're gonna put our chicken in the egg wash, move it from the egg wash over to our flour. Check our other hand, get these babies floured up. Sit him right here on this rack right here. Just like that, that easy, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of them. And once we finish, we're gonna come right back. Now we have all our chicken pieces floured up. Let's head over to our stove. Our grease is ready. We're gonna go ahead and get them baptized in that hot oil, all right? And guys, we're gonna cook these in batches. I got about 14 wings, so we're gonna cook these in batches. You don't wanna overcrowd your pan. And of course, when these babies start rising to the top, you know we there. Should take about 7 to 10 minutes, especially with my wings. My wings are small. All right, so it looks like we're done on our first batch. We're gonna go ahead and remove them. Man, look at those babies. I'm gonna sit them here on our wired rack. We're gonna sit them in a warmer while we complete our last batch. All right, guys, we're headed into the stretch. These babies are done. We're gonna turn our grease off or our fire off. And you see how crispy these babies are. Just gonna put them right here on our cooling rack. Let's head over to our cutting board. All right, so now we have all our chicken fried. The next thing to do is sauce it up in this Cajun barbecue sauce. All right, let's go ahead and do that so we can get into our final presentation and quality control. And there you have it, guys. Cajun BBQ Chicken Wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control, so do a taste test. Yep, it's quality control time. You guys already know. We're gonna bring these wings to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that glaze on them. Let's go ahead and try it out. Oh man. God, delicious. Listen, these wings are fire. You definitely need to check them out when you combine a crispy wing with some Cajun and barbecue sauce. you got these wings right here. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.